हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज नेहा गुप्ता और आज हम लोग यहाँ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं IMO 2017-18 का पेपर फॉर क्लास 6. So students, let's start with question number 1. So student, my question number 1 is, in a certain language, natural. This word natural is written as UBOUMDS. Then how will problem be written in that whole language? Okay. So guys, how we can approach this kind of problems? Let me explain. Okay guys, so in this word, wait, let me draw for you. Okay guys, so our word is NATURAL and this word is coded as UBOUMBS, right? So in these two words you can easily observe that three words, and this is your middle letter, right? So middle letter remains same, correct? Okay, and here N plus 1 is O, T plus 1 is U, and A plus 1 is B. So this is the concept here. R plus 1 is S, L plus 1 is M, and A plus 1 is B. So find the similar relation in the word PROBLEF. Right guys? Okay. So B remains same, and U plus 1 is equals to P. Clear? And P plus 1 is equals to Q. R plus 1 is equals to S. Right? Okay. Similarly, L plus 1 is equals to M plus 1 is equals to N, and E plus 1 is equals to F. So as you can see, P, Q, S, B, N, F, M, that means option number C is your correct answer. Okay, now the question number 2. Okay guys, in question number 2, select a figure from the options which when placed in the blank space of figure X would complete the pattern. Okay, so I have to complete the pattern here. So guys, how can I complete it? As you can see, let me draw a pattern to complete the given pattern. Okay, so similarly, I can draw the similar figure here. So I think this kind of figure we can get. So as you can see, the clear answer is option number A. Option number A is your correct answer, guys. Here, right? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. In question number 3, it is saying that if M is brother of K, that means this question is from the chapter blood relation. Okay, so I can draw a relationship tree here, right? So M is the brother of K. Okay, M is the brother of K, right? M is brother, that means he is a male. So I am putting a plus sign here. Okay, D is the daughter of K. Okay, D is the daughter of K, right? N is the sister of M. N is the sister of M. Okay, so N is the sister of M, right guys? Next, and P is the brother of D, and P is the brother of D. Okay, that means they are brother and sister. Okay, then who is the uncle of P? Now who is the uncle of P? So she is sister, and K can be mother or father. Okay, it is not clarified here that he is a male or female, so we can say that A can be her mother or father, anything. Okay, and father's brother or mother's brother is your P, right? So I can say that who is the uncle of P? That means M is the uncle of P. So option number A is your correct answer. Okay, the next one. Find the minimum number of straight lines required to make the given figure. Okay, now let me count the number of lines here for you guys. So number of lines are 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Now 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, then after 9, this one is 10, 11, 12. Okay, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I can say the total number of lines are 18 here. So I think I'm missing the one. Okay, let me count it again. One sec, guys. Let me use my eraser. Okay, so okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then 5, then 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So here total number of straight lines are 17. Okay, so the option number B is your correct answer, guys. Okay, now the next one, question number 5. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from the second, so which one is the second letter? Second letter is E. Then fifth, so third, fourth, and fifth one is D. 8, 6, 7, and 8 one is T. And then 10, so 9th and 10th one is A. So can I make a meaningful word with these 4 letters? I think D, A, T, E is my meaningful word. No other words can be possible from these 4 letters. Okay. So he is asking then using the only ones, then the last letter of the word would be your answer. So what is the last letter, guys? The last letter is E. That means option number C is your correct answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Select a figure from the options which satisfy the same condition of placement of the dots as in figure X. Okay. Okay, now focus on this point. This point is in the common portion of circle, triangle, and square. Okay. So in the option number A, I can place the dot here, right? Similarly, in option number B, there is no common portion for all the 3 figures. So I can say that in option number B, we cannot place the dot. In option number D, I can place the dot here. And in option number C, similarly, there is no common place. Okay. So this option is also crossed. Now, for the second dot, this dot is in the common portion of circle and triangle and in the exterior side of square. Okay. So let me check for only option number A and option number D. Right? Okay. So in option number A, I think this is your circle and this is your triangle. Okay. But there is no common part for circle and triangle which is in the exterior side of square. Okay. So I think this option is crossed and option number D is your correct answer because I can place the dot here. So option number D is your correct answer, guys. Okay, guys, the next one, question number 7. Question number 7 is asking, find the correct mirror image of figure X if mirror is placed vertically to the left. That means the mirror is placed here. Okay, so if the mirror is placed here, then the image will be like this. Something like this. This is your image, guys. So M is in the center. So M will remain here. And as I can see, this is your left side and this is your right side. So in mirror image, left side becomes right side and right side becomes left side. Okay. So if the dot is here, then in this image, dot will be here and plus sign will be here and multiply will be here and this triangle will be at this position. So as I can see, option number C is the correct match. So option number C is your correct answer, students. Okay. Now question number 8. In question number 8, it is saying a set of 3 figures X, Y, and Z shows a sequence of folding a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select a figure from the options which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of the figure. So when we unfold this figure, I will get a image like this, 2 dots here, 2 circles here, and 2 circles here. So I think the best resemble is option number C. Option number C is your correct answer, students. Okay, the next one, question number 9. So in question number 9, find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Okay. So in this figure, as I can see, if I multiply these two numbers, 2 into 1, then add the previous number 1, then I will get the third number. Similarly, 9 into 12 plus 9 is equals to 117. Okay, so which number should I multiply here? Let 14 into x plus x, then I should get 105. Okay, so 14x plus x, that means 15x. 15x is equals to 105, or I can say x is equals to 105 upon 15. Okay, that means 7. 7 is your correct answer, students. Okay. Okay. Now the next one. Question number 10. Select a figure from the options in which x is exactly embedded as one of its parts. Okay. So in option number A, as I can see that I think this is my resembled part. So in option number A, I can found this image. So option number A is correct. In rest of the options, as you can see, there is no image like this. Okay. Okay. The next one, question number 11. Find there is a certain relationship on either side of these columns. Identify the relationship on the left side and the missing term. A, F, my words are A, F, H, O, and if it is related with G, B, B, and N. Okay? Okay, and I have to find the same relationship with C, H, F, N. Right, guys? Okay. So in this question, as I can see, A plus 1 is B and F plus 1 is Z. So similarly, C plus 1 is B and H plus 1 is I. That means ID. Okay. Now, students, here I got my answer. IDDK. No need to solve the whole question. So my correct answer is option number D. Question number 12. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship among artists, scholars, and men? So guys, as I can see that some scholars can be artists, some artists can be scholars, or some men can be artists or can be scholars. Okay, so the correct relationship is option number C. So option number C is your correct answer. Okay, in question number 13, the position of our dice are shown here. Which number will be at the bottom when 2 is at the top? That means it is asking that what is in the opposite side of 2. Okay, so as I can see, 1 and 1 are common in both the faces. Okay, so as I can see that 5 is opposite to 6 and 2 is opposite to 4. So if 2 is at the top, if 2 is at the bottom, then which one is on the top? The 4 is on the top. So option number C is your correct answer. Question number 14. In question number 14, find the number which will continue the given pattern. Okay. So guys, my numbers are 3, 7, 15, 31, then question mark and 127. So as I can see that if I multiply 3 by 2 and then if I add 1, then I will get the next number 7. Similarly, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 1 is equals to 15. Similarly, 15 into 2, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So similarly, 31 into 2. 31 into 2 is equals to 62 and 62 plus 1 is equals to 63. That means my correct answer is option number 2. Okay, the next one, question number 15. So question number 15 is from direction sense test. So let me draw directions for you first, guys. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Correct? Okay. Now let me solve this problem for you. Sonali draw her card 20 kilometer northwards. Okay, so this is my north side and she draw 20 kilometer, right? Then she turned left. So for left and right, you always use your left hand. So guys, if she is in this position, then this will be your left side, right? Okay, so in left side, she draw for 30 kilometer, correct? Then she turned left. So she turned left, that means in the downward direction. How much? Same 20 kilometer. So this is 20 kilometer. Then again turn to left. Then again turn to left. That means in which direction? In this direction. And how much? 45 kilometer length. How much? 45 kilometer. So this distance is equals to 45 kilometer. Right? Okay, now how far is she from the initial point? So guys, as I can say that this is her initial point, okay, and this distance is equals to 30 kilometers, and this whole distance is 45. So the remaining distance, this distance from the initial point to end point should be 45 minus 30. That means 15 kilometers. Okay. That means 15 kilometer is your correct answer. 15 km is your correct answer. Okay. Now the next one, question number 16. What fraction of the total number of children plays football? Okay. So in this diagram, as I can see, some sports played are given and some number of children are given. Here I can see cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, and tennis are given. So in this question, it is saying that what fraction of the total number of children play football? So how many children play football, students? 120, right? So 120 upon total number of children. That means how much total number of children are present here? 140 plus 120 plus 110 plus 100 plus 90 plus 80. So you can solve the calculation and you will find what you will find. You will find 120 upon 640. 640. That means 3 by 16 is your correct answer. That means option number A is your correct answer. Right? Fine. Okay. The next one, question number 17. Difference between the number of children who play tennis and cricket altogether and basketball and volleyball altogether. Okay. So how many students play tennis? Tennis, 80 students. And for cricket, there are 140 students. Okay. And I have to find the difference with basketball. How many students are there for basketball? I think there are 100 students. And for volleyball, there are 110 children. Okay. So what is the sum? The sum is 210. And what is the sum here? The sum is 220. So I can say what is the difference? 220 minus 210. 210. That means 10. 10 is the difference. So option number C is your correct answer. Okay. The next one. Which of the following figure has the largest perimeter? Okay, so I have to find the perimeter here, students. So for perimeter, as I suggest you that always that the side of one small square is always equal to 1. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of outer boundary. Okay, so now what I can do here, just count the length of outer boundary. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So the perimeter is 28. Okay, now for option number B. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the perimeter is 22. Okay. Now for option number C, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So perimeter is 36. And for the option number D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, and 34. So the perimeter is 34. So as I can see, it is clear now that the highest perimeter is for option number C. So the option number C is your correct answer. The next one, question number 19. So in question number 19, some numbers are given in Roman numerals. First, I have to convert these numbers into Hindu numeric numbers. Okay. So as I can see, the meaning of C is nothing but 100, and the meaning of M is nothing but 1000. Okay. So if a smaller number is written before a larger number, that means I have to subtract this number. Okay. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. 900 plus 50, 950, 950, 960, 970, 980, and 982. So this is nothing but 982. Similarly, 100 plus 100, 200, 205, 250, 250, and then 4 to 254. This is nothing but 254. So what is the addition of these two numbers? The sum of these two numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? So in these options, as I can see, that option number C is your correct answer. Why? Because this is 1000, this is 110. This is 1100, 1200, then 1230, and then 1236. Option number C is your correct answer. Now, the next one, question number 20. Select the correct match. Okay, that means I have to find the line of symmetry here. So, in this figure, as I can see that line of symmetry are 6, not 4. In this figure, I can see that the line of symmetry is 4. Yes, there are 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 lines of symmetry there. There line of symmetry 1, no. There are 0 lines of symmetry, and there are 5 lines of symmetry, not 1. So I can say that option number B is my correct answer. Okay. Now the next one, question number 21. Read the statements carefully and state true or false for T for true and F for false. Okay. So the place value of a digit at 10th place is 0.1 times the same digit at the 100th place. No, it is not applicable for all the numbers. Okay. So this statement is false. Okay. Because the place value of a digit at 10th place is 10 times the same digit at the 100th place. So I think this statement is incorrect. Now, the second, this is false. Okay. Now, the second statement. The second statement is 0.03 upon 0.3 plus 3.3 upon 0.03. Okay. Okay. Now, first I have to remove these dots. So whenever I remove a dot, I place the 0. So here are how many digits are there? 2. So I will place two zeros, and here only 1 0. Similarly, place 1 0, and here 2 zeros. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, solve this question. Let me solve this question for you further. So guys, here I can remove from 10 to 10, 10 to 10. Now, what will I get? I get 3 by 30 here, and here I get 330 by 3. Okay. So that means this is nothing but 110. This is nothing but 110, and the first number is nothing but 0.1. So the addition is 110.1. That means this statement is true. Okay. 5.700 is written as this. Yes, it is written as this because this is nothing but 5 plus 7 upon 100. That means 5 plus 0.07. Right? So I think this statement is also true. The first statement is false and rest statements are true. So I think option number A is your correct answer, guys. Okay. So this is all from my side for today. Have fun. Thank you so much.